Welcome back to another video from our YouTube channel. This video will help you to understand everything you must know about machine learning. If you are interested in learning, you can find lot of useful videos in our channel. Make use of those videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel to not miss any new videos. Let's get started. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and adapt without being explicitly programmed. It is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions without human intervention. The process of machine learning begins with the collection of data, which is then used to train a model. This training process involves feeding the data into the model and adjusting the parameters of the model to optimize its performance. Once the model has been trained, it can be used to make predictions or decisions based on new data. There are several types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is the most commonly used type of machine learning, and it involves training a model on labeled data. This means that the data has been labeled with the correct output or decision, and the model is trained to predict the correct output based on the input data. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves training a model on unlabeled data. The model is then used to identify patterns and relationships within the data without any prior knowledge of the correct output. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that involves training a model to make decisions based on rewards and punishments. Machine learning has a wide range of applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, machine learning is used to analyze medical images, predict disease outcomes, and personalize treatment plans. In finance, machine learning is used to detect fraudulent transactions and predict stock prices. In transportation, machine learning is used to optimize routes and predict traffic patterns. One of the most well-known applications of machine learning is image recognition. This is a type of supervised learning that involves training a model to recognize objects in images. The model is trained on a large dataset of labeled images, and it can then be used to identify objects in new images. This technology is used in a wide range of applications, including self-driving cars, security cameras, and image search engines. Another important application of machine learning is natural language processing. This is a type of machine learning that involves training a model to understand and generate human language. NLP is used in a wide range of applications, including speech recognition, language translation, and text-to-speech systems. Machine learning also has a number of ethical considerations. One of the main concerns is the potential for bias in the data used to train models. If the data used to train a model is biased, the model will also be biased, and it will make decisions that are unfair or unjust. To mitigate this risk, it is important to use diverse data sets and to test models on different types of data. Another ethical concern is the potential for job displacement. As machine learning becomes more advanced, it may replace human workers in certain industries. This could lead to job loss and economic inequality. To mitigate this risk, it is important to invest in retraining programs for workers and to invest in new industries that will create new jobs. In conclusion, machine learning is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform many industries and improve our lives in countless ways. However, it is important to be aware of its ethical considerations and to take steps to mitigate potential risks. With careful consideration and responsible development, machine learning can be used to create a better future for everyone. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you to understand what is machine learning. Keep practicing and have fun.